start. The overall indications of economic performance have been better than in any previous year of severe drought. Full stop. This is because of the plans and programs of the government under the leadership of Shri Rajiv Gandhi, our party president and the prime minister. Full stop. Honorable finance minister this time has viewed the grievances of all sectors of levies and tried to redress it up to maximum possible levels against all odds of the resource mobilization and non-plan expenditure. Besides efforts of the opposition parties for destabilization of our government. Full stop. I am happy for conceding to our request of extending transport subsidy to all hill areas for LPG cylinders by the Honorable Finance Minister. Full stop. But I would request that this subsidy be made applicable for industrial production also in the hill areas as well, only for small scale sectors, because medium and large sectors get concessions in bulk purchasing. Full stop. I appreciate the abolition of taxes on properties and surcharge on wealth tax to mobilize the resources. Full stop. This policy is a clear indication of a welfare state which shall raise the standard of living of the people. Full stop. Regarding tax policies, I would like to mention for implementation duties leviable and surcharge as central excise and customs duty on goods used by 100% export oriented units. Full stop. The goods of Indian origin used by these 100% export oriented units may be exempted for surcharges, etc. Full stop. However, surcharge of 5% on foreign goods used by export oriented units may be levied, but full time reimbursement of countervailing duty and surcharge on auxiliary duty may be exempted, so that foreign capital in Indian industry is progressive to have health competition. Full stop. Now I would draw the attention of the Honorable Finance Minister to the problem faced by every Indian family because of social customs, that is presentation of gold jewelry at marriage ceremony. Full stop. I would request the finance minister to allow relaxation of baggage rules, incorporating the free clearance of 1 tola of gold jewelry brought by the incoming Indian passengers only. Full stop. To earn revenue, government can impose a very nominal customs duty in foreign exchange on gold and gold jewelry if more than 1 tola brought by Indian passengers. Full stop. This scheme shall minimize gold smuggling and satisfy the Indian passengers and laborers coming from abroad to fulfill their social customs with the facilities provided by the government. Full stop.